The journey begins at Kathmandu Airport, where travelers set off to explore Nepal's landscapes, traditions, and modern developments. From above, the Himalayan range unfolds a breathtaking view of Annapurna, Pokhara, and Dhaulagiri. These towering peaks define Nepal's natural beauty, standing timeless against the sky. Touching down at Pokhara International Airport, a new gateway to the heart of Nepal's adventure capital. This modern infrastructure is set to reshape connectivity, welcoming visitors from across the world. Pokhara's identity is shaped by its lakes, where nature meets tranquility. Phewa Lake, with its mirrored reflections, is the soul of the city, while Begnas and Rupa lakes offer untouched serenity beyond the urban buzz. Above the hills, the Shiva statue stands as a symbol of faith and tradition. Overlooking the valley, it connects spiritual devotion with nature's grandeur, embodying the cultural essence of Nepal. A hidden force of nature, Devi's Falls cascades into underground caverns, showcasing the raw power of Nepal's landscapes. A place where folklore and natural wonder intertwine. From the streets of Pokhara to the Sarankat viewpoint, the Annapurna range dominates the horizon. A place where sunrises paint the sky, and the mountains stand as eternal guardians of the land. As Pokhara grows, its infrastructure evolves. The Pokhara cable car now offers a new way to experience the city from above, while the international airport marks a milestone in Nepal's progress, making travel smoother and more accessible. At night, Pokhara transforms. Lakeside comes alive with music, laughter, and celebration. A vibrant energy blends with the calm of the water, creating a perfect fusion of culture and modern entertainment. Pokhara, where nature's beauty, cultural heritage, and modern infrastructure come together to create an experience unlike any other. A city that continues to evolve, while staying true to its roots.